Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sabrina Maria here with another video for you guys, another makeup look. This is super easy pink and brown fall makeup look. Y'all, it's super cute, super simple, and super easy. Keep on watching for all the details. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with my NYX Refresher Spray. It works as a setting spray and it works as also a primer, but I love it because I don't add moisturizer to my face, but this makes my face feel nice and fresh and moisturized. If you're not already doing so, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at @1SabrinaMaria. It's posted in the description box. Make sure you follow me for even more makeup looks that I may not do a video on. All right, so we're starting with these eyebrows. This is gonna go very fast, so if you want a detailed description, make sure you check out my eyebrow tutorial. It is scrolling at the top of your screen right now. Okay, so now that we've got these eyebrows together, I'm going to go ahead and move this concealer right on down to my eyelid and use it as a primer for this eyeshadow. I'm going to set it with my Mineral Set It Don't Forget It by NYX. I like setting the concealer because if you don't, then it can cause your eyeshadow to be cakey and crease, and it just won't have like a nice smooth look to it. So I like to do that just to have a nice, clean, smooth look, and it won't make it look oily and all that type of stuff. I just love doing that. So we're going to go ahead and set this, and then we're going to apply the eyeshadow. All right, so we're going to go ahead and start with the Warrior by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to go ahead and start with this dark brown color. It is called Mino. It is right at the top, dark brown color, and I'm going to place that at the top of my eyelid, right under my brow bone. I have hooded eyes, so whenever I am doing a like a smoky look or something like that, I like to apply the darker color higher up because it gives the illusion that my eyelids are a little bit smaller than what they are. So yes, and if you don't know what hooded eyes are, it's just that the skin basically from my eyelid hangs over, whereas some people who don't have a hooded eye, it kind of looks like it's sunken in a little bit, I guess you could say. I mean, I'm probably not using the right terms for it, but basically you can see I have a fold in my eyelid. That's basically what it is. I have hooded eyes. So basically my eyelids look bigger or fatty. I don't know. But anyway, so doing it this way, applying that darker color at the top tends to make my eyelid look smaller, and then applying a lighter color at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead into now with another Juvia's Place palette, Warrior 3, and the color that I'm going to be using is called Kahina. I think that's how you say it, but it's like a nice like pinkish like mauve kind of look, and I'm just going to apply that right under that dark brown that I use, that Mino, and blend that in there nicely. right, so now I'm taking my Berries by Juvia's Place, and I'm using this like pink shimmer right at the top. I have the mini berry one, so look, it doesn't have a name for it, so I don't know what it's called. But anyway, that's the one I'm using. And I'm just placing that at the base of my eyelid near, right at the tip of my eyelid, so that shimmer can come through. And I'm just bringing it up into that other pink color that I added there, and blending that in nicely. And the colors just like flow together. I love how these colors flow together. I love the combination of pink and brown. It's so subtle. I'm not big on like really big bold eyeshadows, but this is so nice and subtle and classic and such a soft look. So this is super cute to me. But when you add your foundation and lashes, everything just really comes together. Look at that. I added my lashes, eyeliner, and it really comes together. And when I add my foundation, it's gonna come together even more. So I'm going to be going in with my primer by Fenty Beauty. As y'all can see, look, I'm almost out. I need to get some more. This is my favorite primer, y'all. Like, seriously, like, you talk about oil control, smooth face, love it. So I need to get me some more. But for today's foundation, I'm going to be using my Marc Jacobs foundation in the color 84 Cocoa Medium. We're going to go ahead and apply that. I did a review on this foundation. Make sure you check that out, scrolling at the top of your screen. I absolutely love this foundation. The color is a tad bit off, but by the time I highlight and contour and set it and all of that, it ends up working out. Like, it ends up just flowing with my skin tone. So it was a yes for me, and it lasts, I mean, all day, no rubbing off. Like, it's really good. This is normally, I think, like $60 something or something like that. I can't remember, but I got it on sale at Sephora for like $28 a while ago. So it was a good buy for me, and I love this foundation. Okay, so now we're going into one of my favorite products. Y'all already know, my Huda Beauty setting powder. I absolutely love this stuff in the color Cinnabon. It just makes my foundation look even more smooth. I don't care what foundation I'm using. I'm putting this on top of it, period. Seriously. Because look at that, like, it just smooths it out and makes it so nice and smooth. All right, so I'm going to be highlighting with my Juvia's Place concealer in the number 13. Just gonna apply that. This stuff is so good. Like, a little goes a long way. Like, only dip it one time and then it does everything I need it to do. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pat this in, highlighting and contour. I'm thinking about doing another updated highlighting and contouring video. Y'all let me know. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Do y'all need an updated highlighting and contouring video? If not, if the other one I did is good for you guys, okay, good. But I'm thinking about doing another one. Just let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment and let me know. I have a couple different methods that I use for highlighting and contouring. Honestly, it just depends on how I'm feeling at that particular time. But there is no, I'm gonna say this, there's a wrong way, but there's not one right way. There we go. There's not just one right way to highlight and contour. So there's multiple methods that you can use, but there are many wrong ways. There are many wrong ways. So I don't judge people according to how they apply theirs. You know, it's just all according to what works for you and your face and what you got going on, okay? So we're just gonna pat this in until it's nice and blended. Be patient with your makeup. Like, a lot of people be rushing the process and then you're not fully blended. Be patient with it. I'm using my favorite Sasha buttercup. Y'all, it's from Amazon. I'll post the link in the description box. Everything will be posted in the description box. I'm using that same sponge and I'm going in with that Sasha buttercup and tapping it right over where I put the concealer. Tapping it in there. I don't really bake that much, but I like to just tap it in there, and it's so nice and smooth and blended. That just works for me. So, you know, let me know what y'all think. Leave me a comment on what you guys do. What do you guys do? Y'all have any things y'all want me to try or things that you've seen? Let me know. Leave me a comment. I like trying new things. So, you know, yes, this is just what I do, what's comfortable for me, but I'm always open to trying other methods and things like that. Like I said, there's many right ways to do things to achieve a good look. But like I was saying, be patient with your makeup. Take time to blend. Take time to get that makeup right. Like, some people rush it and it's not fully blended. It's not, you know, Make sure your lighting is good so that you can really see how it's blended. Natural lighting is the best lighting. Get in front of a window, get a good light, and see how your makeup is looking, because you will leave from the mirror looking one way, but then you'll see it's something else. So I'm going in with my Black Radiance contouring palette, and we're gonna go ahead and get this contour together. Y'all keep on watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe while you're at it. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe it. Oh, and don't forget to hit that share button. So now I'm gonna go back with that Warrior palette. I'm gonna take that top color there, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone. That is called Amina. I'm gonna highlight my brow bone and also the inner corner of my eye with that. Listen, it just adds a pop. Listen, it'll pop. It just enhances really the whole eyeshadow, the whole eye. Doing that. I usually do this to all my makeup looks. Not necessarily with the same color, but it just depends on what eyeshadow I'm using. But yeah, it works really good. All right, my favorite bronzer, Shayna B. We're gonna go ahead in there with a Shayna B bronzer and get this face glowing. And then we're going to apply my blush using my favorite blush by Blush Crush. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get these lips together. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my dark brown lip liner. And I'm gonna go a little heavy on this because I'm gonna be blending another color in the middle. And I want it to still pop a little bit, that brown. So the color in the middle, I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Kristen. It's like a nice, soft, milky pink. I like light pink color. It's not like a bold pink, but it's very subtle, but it complements the eye so well. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in with that lip liner. And it really, those pink tones, brown tones with the blush and the eyes, it just really complements each other very well. I love how the look came together. We're gonna blend that in real good. Super, super cute. I love how this came together. So if you like it, of course, go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you like it. Super cute, soft glam for a look. I mean, this is bomb, y'all. No, I'm just playing. No, really, it's super cute though, right? I know it. It's cute. Give me a comment. Let me know what you think. Go ahead and subscribe, share this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all like my hair though? Like, I'm loving this hair. I am absolutely loving this hair. It's a headband wig. Check out the video scrolling at the top of your screen of the headband wig, the details on this headband wig. I love it. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. And until next time, y'all be blessed.